Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the channel. In last video we have learned how to write Urdu alphabets up till the family of Re. In this video we are going to learn how to write the rest of the Urdu alphabets after the family of Re. So in this video you will learn the letters Urdu alphabets. These are in pairs because our families are completed up till the family of Re. Now these Urdu alphabets are in pairs. So we will start. After J, our next Urdu alphabet is Seen. Okay, Seen and Sheen. These are pairs. How to write Seen? Look closely. In this way you will make. These are called shoshas. These are two shoshas and Seen has three shoshas. So we'll make one more. Look. In this way, these are the shoshas of Seen. You will write three shoshas, you will make three shoshas, and then you will turn it downward and again semicircle from downward to upward. This is Seen. Okay? Like this, and then like this, and then semicircle from downward to upward. The next letter of this pair is Sheen. And it will be written in the same way. First we will make three shoshas like this, and then again semicircle from downward to upward. This letter has three dots on the top. Seen and Sheen. These are two pairs, and next two pairs are Swad and Zoad. How to write Swad? Again you will make the shape of an eye. Look, from downward to upward you will make this shape. Okay, and then again semicircle from downward to upward. This is Swad. Next letter of this pair is Zoad. The same way you will make this symbol and then semicircle. And this letter has one dot on the top. Zoad. Swad, Zoad. Next pair is Toe and Zoe. Straight line. First you will draw a straight line and then you will turn it a little bit to the left side. Okay, and again you will make the shape of an eye. Over here, this is letter, Urdu alphabet, Toe. This is called Toe. A symbol is also written like this, the symbol of Topi. But over here, this is not symbol, this is actually an alphabet. Toe. The next letter of this pair is Zoe. In the same way, you will draw a line and then you will make the shape of an eye. It has one dot on the top. Toe, Zoe. Next pair is Ain, Ghain. Look how to write. First you will make the shape like this, a small semicircle and then a large semicircle. This is small one and this is a bit bigger one. These are actually two semicircles to the right side. Ain. Ghain will be written in the same way. Ghain, and it has one dot on the top. Ain, Ghain. Now the next pair is Fe and Kaf. First you will make this circle, a small circle like this, and then you will turn it to the left side. This shape is now like the family of Bay, but this is actually Fe because it has a circle over here and it has one dot on the top. This is Fe. Fe. Next letter is Kaf. Again you will make the circle like this, a small circle, and this time you will not drag it to the left side but instead you will make a semicircle again from downward to upward. And it has two dots on the top. Fe and Kaf. Next pair is Kaf and Gaf. Both of these are Kaf. This Kaf has two dots on the top and this kaf is written like this. Small line from downward to upward. You will drag it to the left side. Look, now this line is a bit bigger than this one. You will start with the bigger line and you will end it a smaller line. Then you will put this symbol over here. This is called kash. This is the kash of kaf. So in this way, this will be written kaf. Next one is gaf. Same way you will write from upward to downward, then left side, and then you will turn it to upward again. And then you will put two kash over here. Kaf has one kash and gaf has two kash. This is kaf, gaf. Next one is lam. Look how to write. A straight line from upward to downward, and then you will make a semicircle from downward to upward. This is lam. Lam. And then mim. Look how to write. A circle, small circle, then to the left side, and then downward you will draw a straight line. This is mim. Lam, mim. Then noon and waw. This is noon. You will start from here and you will make a semicircle from downward to upward, and it has one dot inside it. This is noon. Noon. And the next one is waw. How to write waw? Again a small circle, and then you will drag it to the left side. In this way it will be written noon and waw. Okay. Next one is hay. This is called gol hay. Look how to write. You will make a semicircle first like this, and then you will drag it towards inside. In this way. From here you have started, then you have turned it to inside like this. This is called gol hay. Hay. This is basically hay, but it is in rounded shape. That's why it is called gol hay. The next one is hamza. Hamza is written again. You will make a small semicircle and then you will drag it to the downward like this. This is called hamza. Hey, hamza. Now the last two letters are choti a and badi a. Choti a you will write again. This is this half semicircle, and look how you will drag the line or how you will draw it after this. Like this. This is choti a. Okay. From here, then towards downwards and then upward. This is choti a, and the last letter of Urdu alphabets is badi a. This is called badi a. How to write? Small line, then to the left side, and then you will drag it to the right side. This is badi a, choti a and badi a. So dear students, our Urdu alphabets are completed. Hope you have learned how to write Urdu alphabets in the proper way. See you in our next video. Allah Hafiz.